Yo, what is up everybody? It's your name, and welcome back to the channel. We're about to embark on a journey to one of the coolest places on Earth, a country with more bicycles than people, windmills straight out of a fairy tale, and enough canals to rival Venice. You guessed it, the Netherlands. This country is bursting with hidden gems, stunning cities, and more charm than you can shake a stroopwafel at. So buckle up, because we're diving headfirst into the top 10 most beautiful cities in the Netherlands for 2025. Let's go! First up, the city that needs no introduction, Amsterdam. You can't talk about the Netherlands without picturing those iconic canals lined with wonky houses, houseboats rocking gently on the water, and bridges teeming with bikes. But Amsterdam is more than just pretty scenery. This city thrums with creative energy. From world-class museums like the Rijksmuseum and Van Gogh Museum to vibrant street art, Amsterdam is a feast for the senses. And let's not forget the food. Indulge in some bitterballen or grab a stroopwafel. Trust me, Amsterdam is unforgettable. Next up, we're heading to a city that rose from the ashes, a testament to innovation and bold architecture, Rotterdam. This place is like the rebellious younger sibling of Amsterdam, bursting with a raw energy and a skyline that screams future. Forget quaint canals and cobblestone streets. Rotterdam is all about sleek skyscrapers, cutting-edge design, and a harbor that's always buzzing with activity. Check out the iconic cube houses, defying gravity and logic with their tilted design, or marvel at the Erasmus Bridge, a stunning feat of engineering that connects the city like a futuristic harp. From the Kunsthal to the Phoenix Food Factory, Rotterdam is a city that keeps you on your toes. From the modern marvel of Rotterdam, we're traveling to a city that perfectly blends history and charm, Utrecht. Stroll along picturesque canals lined with cozy cafes and restaurants. At the heart of the city stands the Dom Tower, offering breathtaking views. Utrecht is also a university city, brimming with youthful energy and vibrant nightlife. Enjoy festivals and events, or relax in a quiet park. Utrecht knows how to do laid-back perfectly. Find a sunny spot along the Udegracht, sip on a Dutch beer, and watch the world go by. Utrecht is the perfect blend of history, culture, and good vibes. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're heading to the political heart of the Netherlands, The Hague. This city is home to the Dutch Parliament, the International Court of Justice, and countless embassies, giving it an air of global importance. But don't let the serious facade fool you. The Hague knows how to have a good time too. Just a stone's throw from the political hubbub, you'll find yourself strolling along the sandy beaches of Scheveningen. From its political significance to its beachside relaxation, The Hague offers a unique blend of experiences you won't find anywhere else. Get ready to be transported back in time because we're heading south to the charming city of Maastricht. This place is a history buff's dream, with cobblestone streets, ancient city walls, and a vibe that whispers stories of centuries past. Explore the Sint-Servaas Basiliek, a Romanesque masterpiece that dates back over 1,000 years, or get lost in the labyrinthine network of tunnels beneath the city, remnants of Maastricht's strategic past. But Maastricht isn't stuck in the past. The city boasts a vibrant art scene with galleries showcasing contemporary works and a culinary scene that will tantalize your taste buds. Maastricht is a city that effortlessly blends its rich history with a modern, cosmopolitan spirit. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're heading to a city that's straight out of a Dutch painting, Haarlem. Imagine rows upon rows of vibrant tulips, windmills reaching for the sky, and canals reflecting the colorful houses lining their banks. Explore the Grote Markt, the city's bustling central square, dominated by the imposing Grote Kerk, a Gothic masterpiece with a towering spire that pierces the sky. Whether you're wandering through its charming streets, exploring its historic buildings, or simply soaking up the atmosphere, Haarlem is a city that captures the heart. Fasten your seatbelts because we're about to enter the world of innovation and design in Eindhoven. Forget quaint canals and historic houses. Eindhoven is all about cutting-edge technology, bold architecture, and a spirit of creativity that's contagious. This city is a hotbed for designers, engineers, and techies, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And every year, Eindhoven hosts Dutch Design Week, a world-renowned event that transforms the city into a playground for design enthusiasts. The city boasts a vibrant nightlife scene with cool bars, live music venues, and a youthful energy that's impossible to resist. From its innovative spirit to its vibrant culture, Eindhoven is a city that will leave you feeling inspired and energized. Get ready to experience the youthful energy of Groningen. This vibrant city, located in the north of the Netherlands, is a student's paradise, with a laid-back vibe, a thriving cultural scene, and more bicycles than you can shake a stick at. Explore the Groningen University Museum, home to a fascinating collection of art and artifacts, or climb the Martini Tower, a 15th-century church tower that offers stunning views of the city and beyond. Groningen is a city that effortlessly blends history, culture, and youthful energy, making it the perfect destination for those looking to experience the Netherlands off the beaten path. Prepare to be charmed by Leiden, a city steeped in history and brimming with knowledge. Home to the oldest university in the Netherlands, Leiden exudes an air of intellectual curiosity, with its historic buildings, world-class museums, and charming canals. Explore the Museum de Lakenhal, home to a fascinating collection of art and artifacts from Leiden's rich history, or wander through the Hortus Botanicus, one of the oldest botanical gardens in the world. Leiden is a city that will captivate your mind and charm your heart, leaving you with a newfound appreciation for the Netherlands' rich history and culture. Get ready to enter a world of blue and white in the charming city of Delft. This picturesque city is renowned for its iconic Delftware pottery, with its distinctive blue and white designs, a tradition that dates back centuries. Visit the Royal Delft Factory, where you can witness the intricate process of creating these beautiful ceramics, or explore the countless shops and studios showcasing the work of local artisans. Delft is a city that will capture your imagination and leave you with lasting memories of its beauty and craftsmanship. And there you have it, folks, our whirlwind tour of the top 10 most beautiful cities in the Netherlands for 2025. From the iconic canals of Amsterdam to the modern marvel of Rotterdam, the Netherlands never disappoints. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply looking for a unique travel experience, the Netherlands has something for everyone. Until next time, keep exploring.